In the world of extreme luxury off-roaders, Brabus has just raised the bar once again, with two of the wildest open-top machines money can buy. The Brabus 800 Cabrio and the Brabus 800 XL Cabrio. These aren't just modified SUVs, they are handcrafted, limited production beasts built for those who want something truly unique. And yes, they're based on the already powerful Mercedes-AMG G63. The most striking feature of these cabrios is the highly complex retractable soft top. Brabus designed it using more than 500 custom-made components, allowing the roof to open or close in just 20 seconds at the push of a button. To make this conversion possible, the body needed major reinforcement, including a strengthened windshield frame and a carbon fiber roof bow that keeps the roof stable even at high speeds. The Brabus 800 Cabrio comes equipped with the aggressive WIDESTAR widebody kit, a custom tailgate, and massive 24-inch monoblock ZM wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. Sport springs lower the ride height by up to 1.6 inches, giving the SUV a planted, powerful stance. Everything about this vehicle screams attention. Under the hood, both models share the same heart, a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, tuned by Brabus to produce an insane 789 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The Brabus 800 Cabrio rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4 seconds, before hitting a limited top speed of 149 miles per hour. Inside, both cabrios get the full Brabus treatment, a custom leather interior, carbon fiber paddle shifters, the luxurious Airscarf neck heating system, and detailed Brabus touches throughout the cabin. Production is limited to 50 units of each model, with pricing starting around $877,000, and the 800 XL easily pushing past the $1 million mark. These cabrios aren't just vehicles, they're automotive statements for the few who want the ultimate blend of power, exclusivity, and open-air freedom.